So for my sight word activity, I actually have 3 different activities that students can do when doing sight words. So I chose my sight word as and. So the first one I have is where they can trace the word. So I have it here where it has a capital A and then a lowercase a. So students would just start at the top, go down, start at the top, go down, and then cross in the middle. And then of course our N, just trace the dotted lines for both of them. And then on this one, we can also extend it out and have them practicing writing their sight word. So then the second one I have is doing the word blocks. So I have it here where each one of them has at least one letter in the box and they just have to fill in the words. So this first one, so we have A already in here. So we would fill in with an N and then fill in with a D. Our second one, we're missing our first and last letter. So our first letter would be A, our last letter would be D, and then our last one, we're missing our first 2 letters and have our ending letter. So A, and then N, and then down here, it's basically the same thing as our word blocks, just without the blocks. So just filling in, again, the letters that we're missing. So I think that this is a good activity because it allows students, the first one allows students to work on their handwriting, but also learning a sight word. And then these other 2 are basically memory recall. So those are my activities for my sight word.